Hi guys, we're
Hi,
going to Domsville to celebrate my birthday.
How old is your daddy?
I have a toy.
A 5
Can you sing me a song, Isla?
Toy,
sige.
excavator.
Sing ka na. Happy
It's
birthday
really
kay daddy.
small. If you got too near it, it will do this to you.
Daddy.
Boo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Harap dito eh.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kuya,
But
sing a song to daddy, kuya.
Sing a song kay daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Tug tug.
And what?
I love you.
I love you.
All humans love this route. Oh no, here comes a big one. Super. Another one, super. Whoa, this is big. Dun, 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 dun. Finally, we have reached it.
Sunrise bleeding through the glass.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. We're at Domsville, sabihin mo.
Don't sleep. Yep.
We're at Domsville. Kuya, say hi.
Hi.
Mami,
We're here.
here na?
Oh my goodness. Goodness.
This is so cool.
Macaroni as tasty as hell.
Huwag mag-hold dyan ha. This is so cool.
Hi! Where did you go? It's the It's a hula hula. Let's go inside.
Let's go. I have a pretty flower in here.
Wow.
Hi,
my babies. Oh no. Can I meet you?
I'm gonna make you reach me. Bye bye.
Look, a bird! Wow! the shark too? Get it in?
A shark!
Who's the best swimmer? You're the best swimmer? Si Kuya gani. Who's the best swimmer?
I am a whale! Look at me!
What are you drinking?
That's beer. And the drink, that's
Nak, ganyan mo si mami nak oh. Na water nak. Go mami! Mami! One, two, three. Wow, sweet!
You're the best swimmer!
Wow! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. No! Go!
My turn pa!
Yay!
Lagyan mo na lang.
Lagay mo na sa dito siya para kasangit. So na siya. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Yan. Hawak dito.
Hold tight.
Ipasok ka nyo. Kitang fit mo na.
Gusto na kung may seatbelt.
Doon ka ay.
Balance ha.
Balance ha. Pag-hold mo ha. Wait lang. I will take a picture of you first. Smile na doon. Smile ka, Daddy.
Are you a cowboy?
Okay na yung dumto, Kap. Okay.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I think he wants to stop to eat grass. What do you want to eat?
Grabe ang kuya ko ba? Say hi ka sa camera. Oops. Hold properly. Hold tightly.
Mag-picture mo na kayo dalawa. That's gonna be fun.
Ito ka sabi alam sa kabila ka.
Then now you're the best rider. Remember, Isla?
Hold on tight.
Hold on tight. Sige na, ikot na.
Exercise na tuloy ako.
Kuya, wag mag-hold anywhere.
I hold the horse.
Huwag mo na mag-hold.
Just hold on tight lang. Mamaya na.
Sige na, paikot mo na kuya.
Ikot na, sir. Okay, mauna kayo.
Hold tight, hold tight.
Hold on tight. Huwag mag-let go.
Don't let go, ha?
Daddy, you'll get
Huwag magtingin sa akin. Malayo man ako. Mag-hold lang. Mag-focus lang sa pag-hold. Focus lang sa pag-hold. Okay. Okay. Mami, go get it.
Can we feed the horse?
No.
Wait lang, isla
Isa lang.
first.
Okay.
Hello, horse.
Uy. Hi kay horse.
Ay, horse.
Hold lang, hold. Uy, magkugat.
Ayaw niya.
Okay na, sir?
Ipa-hold lang siya kadali lang isa.
Touch it.
Touch mo lang.
Ito dito.
Bad horse.
Ay, nagaan ang paa niya.
Bad horse. Bad horse.
Ayan.
Okay.
Bye, horse.
Thank you.
Horse.
Okay na po, thank you.
Now let's go swim.
Galing ko.
Sige, pas po isla.
Ate, bigyan lang ako na sa Victoria ka lang.
Oh my goodness, almost!
Pasok mo isla. Sige, isla muna kuya. Sige, isla muna.
We're gonna
No, actually.
Ay, wag dyan, wag dyan.
is to fire on the middle.
Go.
So cute man. Anak, hindi ikaw lagi ang mag... Ano?
Another one.
We're shooting it at the yellow. Almost.
Almost no, galing daddy mo no.
Giving it
Last. Bullseye! Sakit! Kina ko, nakabulsay na. Laban pa? Kaya pa? Kapagod mag-akyat. Dam. Goodbye, Domesville!
Bye, Doseville.
Kuya!
Say goodbye, man.
Goodbye!